back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on ETV Scandal from the 5th to the 9th of May 2025 on Monday. Ntoso is alarmed to overhear what the wolf he brought to the door is given free access. Vovo is not convinced by a man's sincerity. Gidiboni must make a run for it on Tuesday. Ephraim senses danger in some days' hasty move and issues a warning. A lingering scent leaves Madlomo unsettled. Potsotso's confrontation stains Gidiboni's joy on Wednesday. Vovo try all alive to get to the bottom of her suspicions, but she runs into wall at very 10. Also is guarded by revelation. Gidiboni driven into a corner, finally commit and ultimatum betrayal on Thursday. A mother shows up for her son only to find herself entangled in his latest scheme. Madlomo shows no mercy. Gidiboni is led into temptation after seeing Matubele's despair on Friday. Agreement is reluctantly given but followed by shock at the level of a proposed deception. Ntoso is taken aback by the demand. Gidiboni tried to rectify her mistake but run into trouble. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.